Historical vehicle information is a valuable resource for technicians. Diagnostic log files help technicians in a variety of situations, including the ability to diagnose recurring issues. In this video, we are going to teach you how to access JPRO's Vehicle History feature. To begin, select the Vehicle History button in the toolbar. When the window appears, you can see the log files are sorted by the date recorded, starting with the most recent. Also notice the tabs at the top of the window. These tabs allow you to access historical reports, including PM inspection history and vehicle inspection history. You have multiple options to access the log file you are looking for. First, you can search for criteria such as the date recorded or the truck's VIN. Or you can click any column header to change its sorting method. Once you locate the file, you can review it. To review, select the file from the list and either double-click or select the playback button at the bottom of the window. Other options at the bottom of the window include View Report, which launches that vehicle's diagnostic report, Resubmit Warranty, when applicable for those with warranty submission authorization, or email the file to yourself or other JPRO users. We will now play back a log file. The familiar JPRO home screen should appear. Notice the controls at the bottom left of the screen. This area allows you to pause, fast forward, rewind, and see the length of the video. From here, you can view the data that was recorded at the start of the diagnostic process. Note that the JPRO toolbar is not the same in a playback as it is in a live vehicle connection. Anything that requires access to live vehicle data will not appear. However, all other illuminated buttons on the toolbar are available to you during the playback of a log file. To exit the playback, simply press the Disconnect button as if you were disconnecting from a live vehicle. Now let's return to the Vehicle History window. At the bottom of the screen, you can see that JPRO defaults to a specific folder to access log files. If you have log files stored in a different location, click the File Open button in the bottom right corner. From here, simply select the folder where your log files are stored. Now you can view vehicle history and open log files from any truck you connected to JPRO. For full details on all JPRO features, please refer to the JPRO User's Guide.